Good morning and welcome to preschool. It's Mrs. Muzingo. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's go ahead and finish up our week by starting off with the Pledge of Allegiance. Right hand goes over our heart and our eyes are on the flag. We say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. Oh my goodness, look at all these May flowers. And it is the 22nd day of May. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Are you ready? Here we go. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There we go. There's Sunday and there's Sunday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, your turn. Here we go. Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, and it is Friday, May 22nd, 2020. Tomorrow is Saturday the 23rd. Sunday is the 24th, and we have no school on Monday. It is the 25th. Let's figure out our pattern. What flower color is going to go here? Is it going to be pink or blue? If you said blue, you were right. And then pink, and then blue, and then pink for Memorial Day. You'll be right back here with Mrs. Hill on Tuesday. All right. We predicted what kind of weather for tomorrow? Rainy, and we were right. That was a good prediction. I know my flowers in my garden are very happy. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow for our first day of the weekend? Sunny, partly sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy. What do you think? Well, I heard someone say sunny with clouds. Partly sunny it is. All right. Let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, let's stand up. We're going to count to 20, but we're going to bend our knees. We're going to bend down, squat down, and touch the floor for 1. And launch ourselves up into the air like we're Superman or Supergirl for 2. And then squat back down for 3, touching the ground. And launch up for 4. Touch the ground is 5. Launch up 6. Back down 7. Count with me. Launch up 8. 9. Down to the ground. 10. Jumping up into the air. 11. Down to the ground. 12. Up to the air. 13. Down to the ground. 14. Up into the air. 15. Down to the ground. 16. Up into the air. 17. 18, 19, 20. Excellent job. All right, let's count backwards from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Looking at some colors. Who can find red? Yep, there's anger. And then what color is this? Black. And how about this one right here? Brown. Very nice. All right. What shape is this? It is a heart. How about this one? Diamond. Yes. Or what else could you call it? A rhombus. How about this right here? Star. And right here? Triangle. Excellent. Our nursery rhyme this week is Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider, who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. All right, let's watch that video.
Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating some curds and whey. Along came a spider, who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away.
All right. Goodness, everything's popping up today. Goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. Let's look at this money. What do we have here? This is a dime. This one is a nickel. That one is a penny. And here we have a quarter. Yes. What number is this? 4, 7. What number? 9. Using those big voices. 10. 8. 6. 3. 2. 1. 5. And now it's time to make our number. This week we're making 3 and 4. Let's sing about where we start those numbers. Are you ready?
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you'd better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? Yes, it's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up.
Way up.
Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach up and touch the top. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach down and touch the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Raise it. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better started at the top. Is this the top, top, top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top, top, top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top, top, top?
Yes, it's the top, top, top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Move to the rhythm.
All right, friends. Now we're making the letter. Let me find the music. We are making the numbers 3 and 4. So let's grab our mats. Everybody ready? We have our little curves. Let's start off with our little curve at the top. Right under Mr. Matt's smiling face. And our other little curve under that. Perfect. And we say together, are you ready? Ready to say it? I'm missing his sneeze, hold on. Excuse me. Let's say it together. Little curve, little curve. Excellent. What number is that? It is the number 3. Yes. Now let's go ahead and make the number 4. Little line down, little line across, big line down. So to make the number 4, we say little, oops, let me try it again. Everybody ready? Let's put our fingers at the top. We're doing it together. Little line down, little line across, frog jump up, big line down. What number is that? It is 4. Excellent. All right, friends. It was great working with you this week. Next week, Mrs. Hill will be with you. She'll see you on Tuesday. I hope you have a great 3-day weekend. We miss you so much. Stay safe. And Mrs. Hill will see you next week. Bye, everyone.